Here's a lightweight trailer ramp, 8 foot long, made with a 2x12 and a 12-foot 2x4 screwed to the side. Angled at the end. And you can kind of see how you drive a lot of these new cars, like that there. Set low. So this here's like, got even. Got a piece of angle iron I bolted on there. Piece of wood to space it. And you can stick something under here if you think it's going to break on you or something, but piece of wood or whatever. But no, it's pretty strong. There's the other one right there. Cheap, simple, and they're fairly light too. They're not too heavy. I can handle them. That's a easy way to make an 8-foot car ramp. There you go. Thanks for watching.